One important line to note about the inclination and the slope of a straight line is the sense in which the angle or the inclination of the line has been measured. For example, you could argue with me here over this diagram that this diagram on the left hand side doesn't make an acute angle. You could say that it makes an obtuse angle with the x-axis, even the positive x-axis. You could also argue that the second line, that is the diagram on the right, makes an acute angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So how can I confidently say that the left diagram makes acute angle with positive x-axis and the right diagram makes an obtuse angle with positive x-axis? Well, the key is in the direction of rotation. So when I measure the direction of rotation in the counterclockwise sense, only then can I call that angle as the inclination. And with respect to that direction of rotation, if I get the angle as acute, then I say that it makes an acute angle with the positive x-axis. Again, rotating in the counterclockwise sense, if I get an obtuse angle, only then can I say that the inclination of the line is obtuse with respect to the positive x-axis. And thus, in the counterclockwise sense, the angle of inclination will always lie between 0 and 180 degrees, right? So that is the maximum value which is possible. Because if it goes beyond 180 degrees, again, the cycle repeats and you get an acute angle again. Alright, so a little bit more about the slope of a line. If we know the coordinates of 2 points on a line, then it is possible to find out the slope of the line. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the coordinates of any 2 points on a line, then its slope is given by m is equal to difference of ordinates to the difference of abscissa. That is the ratio of y2 minus y1 to x2 minus x1. As I said earlier, the slope measures the vertical distance covered for a standard horizontal distance covered. You could think about it as a comparison of the effort required to walk in a straight line compared to hiking up a hill. A straight line requires you to make almost no effort to walk apart from just the effort of walking. However, if you are hiking up a hill and going up the hill, then you require to cover a certain vertical distance as well as horizontal distance. So there's an extra effort that is needed to scale the verticality of the slope as well. So this is what slope is all about.